Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Cash App as a complete beginner. So this is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial, and you will be getting to know each and every aspect of Cash App by the end of this video. So let's see how we can get Cash App first. So Cash App is not available in most of the countries out there, and in order to get Cash App in those countries we need to install a VPN, and it is called Windscribe. For that, you need to just open up your Play Store or App Store, then search for Windscribe, and this is how it will appear. And you will also need a email ID which is based in the country where Cash App is available. So just create one email address which is associated with United States, and after that you will be able to get Cash App. So after getting a Windscribe VPN, just turn that VPN on. So we will go to just Windscribe and turn the US location on and wait for it to connect. You won't be needing these steps if Cash App is available in your country already. This is for the people who don't have Cash App in their country. So after connecting with the VPN, you need to switch your App Store or Play Store ID to the US based one by clicking on the top right hand side corner, and just change this email on the top by clicking on it, and you will be able to do it. And after that, when you search for Cash App will appear over here. Otherwise it won't even be shown in your Play Store or App Store. After that, you need to click on this option of install in order to get Cash App. Wait for it to download. Just open up Cash App after it is downloaded. Then it will ask you to either use your mobile phone or your email address. Just type your email or mobile phone. After typing in your email address or mobile phone, just click on this option of next. Then a code will be sent to your email address that we just provided. Just copy that code or type that code over here and click on next. Then wait for it to load, and after that it will ask you to provide your debit card or your other information related to debit card. Then just provide the information, because it is going to ask you again when you are into the app, so it is better to provide it now. I'm just skipping it for now. After that, you can just invite your friends and get $5 each for every invite that you get, and you can just click on continue, or you can skip this one. And since I already had an account on it, that's why I was not asked to create a cash tag, which is basically a unique tag which is given to every single individual who creates an account on Cash Tag, so they can just do transactions. Suppose you want to receive some money from your friend, if you provide that particular cash tag that you just created while creating your account, then your friend will be able to send you money using your cash tag. So this is how cash tags work. Now after creating your account, you can either use cash tag to request money from someone, or either you can use it to pay your bills or make payments to someone else. And for that, if you want to pay some money to someone else, then just type that particular amount and click on pay. Then you can just provide the cash tag just that I was just talking about, or the phone number or the email address of a person that you want to send money to. Just provide their information over here, then provide a note. And suppose you want to send some money as a gift to your friend on their birthday, so you can just add their phone, email or cash tag, and then just give them a happy birthday method like have a great day and happy birthday, this kind of message. After that, you can either pay them in cash or click on this option of gift card, and you can send any of these gift cards to your friends or family. And you can also make payments to someone using this one. And you can also send stocks or Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a crypto, I hope you know that. So when you click on this option of stocks, you basically give them cash, but your friend will receive the stock of that particular amount. And this is how it works. This is quite fascinating though, because you send money and your friend gets the stock that you choose for them. And you can also send Bitcoins. And the stock option can also be used in a way like you want to gift one of your cousins which is of not legal age to invest in a stock market, but you want to give them a gift on their birthday, you can just purchase a stock for them. Like you can send cash and get them the stock. So this way they will be able to start investing at an early age. And this is how you pay. And in case if you want to receive money or request money, then just simply click on this option of request money. And then all you have to do is just provide the information of a particular person who you want to receive the money from, and add a note like you want to receive money from your parents for a particular thing or your education or anything. You can add a note to it so they know exactly why you are asking or requesting for money. So this is how it will work. Now if you want to search for someone, then you can just simply tap on this option of search on the bottom and just type the name or the business over here, and they will appear in the search results. And you can also add contacts from your phone to Cash App, and if someone is on Cash App, then you will be able to see them. And all your transactions will be seen on the activity, like all the activity that you will do on Cash App will appear on this section of activity. And if you want to get a free Cash App card, then you just need to switch to this option of Cash Card on the bottom. The screen might turn black because of sensitive reasons. Cash App turns the screen to be black while recording it. So you don't have to worry about it, as my voice will be there. So just click on the cards, and here you will find this option of get free cash card. Just click on it and then choose the card that you want to choose. And there are many ones, and there are some cards which are paid to. So just choose as per your requirements. Let me choose the free one for now. And after that, I can click on this option of personalized card, and then I can add different aspects to it. Like I can click on this option of draw, and I can sign over here. I can add emoticons or other icons over here. I can add other stuff as well, and this way I will be able to customize my card according to my requirements. And then click on this option of order card, and then it will ask you some more information, like where you want this card to be sent to, like provide your address for it and other options as well. Then you will be able to receive this card, and you will be able to use Cash App card, and your parents will also be able to recharge this card for you. And this is how Cash App card will work. Now when I click on this option of home on the bottom left hand side, the screen might turn black, but my voice will be there to guide you up. Like whatever I will see, I will just tell you out. So you will be able to observe it on your device itself. And now let me click on the home button, and here you will find the cash balance, the available balance that you have on your Cash App. You can add cash, or you can just simply click on this option of cash out in order to get the cash out of your Cash App to your bank account. And after that, you just have to fill the information, and you will be able to get the cash from your Cash App to your bank account. But make sure that you have added your bank account to Cash App. And for that, we just click on your profile on the top right hand side corner, and here scroll down and click on this option of linked banks, and then click on this option of link debit card, and you will be able to add your debit card or your bank to Cash App. So this is how you do it. Now let me get back to home, and here there are some other options as well, like you can invest in stocks, you can buy Bitcoin, and just follow the instructions given by Cash App. You will just have to click on buy Bitcoin and get started. So you will be able to purchase the Bitcoins, and it is quite easy to follow and use. So this is how you use Cash App. And suppose you want to receive money from someone who is right next to you and just want to show the QR code to them, then just simply click on this option of QR code on the top left hand side corner. Here you will find this option of my code. Just click on it and your code will appear. After that, the person right next to you can scan it and pay you money. So this is how easy it is to receive money on Cash App if someone is right next to you. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.